Gate closing sounds it has. Yesterday also I had, but I forgot the sound. Better in the Belgavi get sounds. See that guy waiting in between tracks. Is he capturing? He's coming and he's waiting in between the tracks. Can you hear the honk? He's sitting. He's keeping the camera down, I think, on the track to capture it. He's coming with e-loco like honk. What he's doing in between the tracks, that guy? Now he got up. E-loco honks with 01014. One of my favorite Bangalore trains, LTT CBE. Pause it now and I see it, I'll continue. Now he's moving away. I think he kept camera there on the tracks. Nice honk. It's coming. Coming fast. It's coming fast, notching. Fast, fast. The passengers see now, I feel shy. Nice one. So 0198. One of my favorite trains. If I go immediately after this train, they may come to know that I came to capture train. So they'll hear it from their house. It's quite empty. Some are full, some don't have rush. Other side I can capture only here.